Hello, and welcome back to Medicinal Herbs Discovered. Stay tuned for our upcoming video, where we unveil the multifaceted wonders of horsetail. From beauty secrets to garden hacks, we've got it all covered with this versatile herb. Pour yourself a soothing cup of tea and get ready to settle in for an enlightening journey into the world of horsetail. Discover its remarkable uses and benefits in our upcoming discussion. Let's dive in! Welcome to our in-depth exploration of horsetail, the remarkable botanical wonder known by its scientific name, Equisetum arvens. Standing 2 to 5 feet tall, this fern-like, non-flowering plant boasts distinctive hollow stems, easily identifiable by their rough texture. The medicinal treasure lies in its aerial portion, which is rich in constituents like luteolin, silica, and isoquercitrin. With a bitter astringent taste, horsetail holds a special place in Ayurveda, where it's believed to elevate vata while soothing pitta and kapha imbalances. Join us as we uncover the many facets of this fascinating plant. Horsetail is renowned for its diuretic properties, making it an invaluable herbal remedy. Its key components, luteolin and isoquercitrin, play crucial roles in this. Luteolin reduces the activity of muscarinic acetylcholine receptors, while isoquercitrin promotes sodium excretion while preserving potassium levels, akin to the action of pharmaceutical diuretic spironolactone. Studies have even demonstrated horsetail's effectiveness, showing it to be on par with hydrochlorothiazide, a commonly used commercial diuretic. To harness its benefits, an effective dose is around 900 milligrams per day, or a 0.2% extract. Stay tuned to uncover more about this incredible plant. Building on our exploration of horsetail's remarkable diuretic properties, let's now delve deeper into its wide range of applications, particularly in addressing urinary bladder disorders. Horsetail is a versatile herb often employed in the management of urinary bladder disorders, addressing issues such as incontinence, frequent urination, and nocturnal awakenings due to the urge to urinate. It achieves this by extending the intervals between bladder contractions and reducing bladder pressure. For those seeking relief, an effective daily dosage typically falls around 900 milligrams. Stay tuned as we delve further into the remarkable applications of horsetail. Expanding our horizons beyond its role in bladder health, horsetail emerges as a powerful ally in the fight against osteoporosis. Thanks to luteolin's ability to stimulate osteoblast proliferation and reduce osteoclast activity, horsetail contributes to enhanced bone density. Additionally, its rich silica content aids in calcium absorption and collagen formation. This natural wonder's secondary metabolite further acts as guardians against age and estrogen-related bone loss. To harness these benefits, consider a daily dose of around 1,200 milligrams. The versatility of horsetail continues to amaze. As we unravel the versatile applications of horsetail, one particularly exciting role is its ability to combat hair loss. Horsetail achieves this by inhibiting 5-alpha reductase and reducing interleukin secretion. To harness its hair-preserving potential, it's recommended to use an alcohol extract at a concentration of 4.2%. Stay tuned as we continue to unveil the incredible benefits of this botanical marvel. Now let's explore another remarkable facet of horsetail, its role in wound healing. Its potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties make it a valuable ally against the spectrum of bacteria, including gram-positive and gram-negative strains, as well as Candida albicans. Beyond that, horsetail promotes tissue regeneration, aiding in the healing process. For those seeking relief, a 3% ointment proves effective, particularly in easing pain and facilitating recovery, making it especially valuable post-episiotomy. The versatility of Horsetail knows no bounds, and we're just scratching the surface. As we continue our journey through the diverse applications of Horsetail, we uncover yet another remarkable benefit: its effectiveness in managing type 2 diabetes. Horsetail helps lower blood sugar levels and enhance insulin sensitivity by boosting the activity of the SIRT1, a protein associated with metabolic regulation. According to studies, an extrapolated dose of approximately 900 milligrams per day has shown effectiveness in this regard. Now, let's explore horsetail's habitat and how it's harvested. This resilient plant is found in North America and Europe, typically thriving in grow zones 4 to 9. However, it's important to note that if left unchecked, horsetail can become an invasive weed. It thrives in wetland areas and spreads through underground rhizomes. When it comes to harvesting, the best time is during the summer months. To preserve its potency, it's dried in a cool, dark place and then ground into a powder. Fascinatingly, horsetail can also be consumed, prepared in a manner akin to asparagus. Nature's bounty, truly. Before incorporating horsetail into your wellness routine, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects. Horsetail can lower vitamin B1 or thiamine levels and may impact potassium levels, which could lead to vitamin and electrolyte imbalances. Other side effects may include symptoms like headache, flatulence, and gastrointestinal irritation. It's crucial to be mindful of contraindications when considering horsetail. This herb is not recommended for use during pregnancy, as it is considered an emmenagogue, meaning it has the potential to stimulate menstruation. Pregnant individuals should avoid horsetail to prevent any unwanted effects on pregnancy. Understanding the potential medication interactions with horsetail is crucial for your safety. If you are taking diuretics, be cautious, as horsetail can have additive effects, potentially leading to excessive fluid loss. Furthermore, medications like digoxin may be affected due to potential alterations in potassium levels. Lithium users should also exercise caution, as horsetail's diuretic effects could influence blood lithium concentrations. Additionally, if you are using nicotine replacement therapies, be aware that horsetail might enhance their intended effects. Now that we've explored the diverse uses and considerations of horsetail, let's delve into how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Horsetail is readily available in various forms, such as capsules containing 10 to 15% silica, or you can also enjoy it as a soothing tea by steeping 2 to 3 teaspoons of the herb for 5 to 10 minutes and sipping on it 3 times a day. For external applications, consider a compress using 10 grams of herb per liter applied daily. And if you prefer a tincture, it's available in a 1 to 5 ratio. Tailor your horsetail experience to your preferences and needs. So who is horsetail for? Adults? Yes. Children? No. Pregnancy? No. Breastfeeding? No. Remember, always ask your doctor before starting any new medication or supplement. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to Medicinal Herbs Discovered. We post new top 5 videos every week, as well as a new Herb of the Week video every Friday afternoon. If you've enjoyed this video, you may also like these playlists featuring our previous Herbs of the Week or top 5 videos organized by medical condition or ailment. Thanks and happy watching!